Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to log out of Telegram. So if you're using Telegram on a device and you want to quickly log out of that device, this is how you can do it. Now open the Telegram application and then tap on the three horizontal line at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on settings and then tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Here you're going to see logout. Tap on logout. On the logout page, tap on logout and then tap on logout. This will log you out of the Telegram app. Now you can also remotely log out of a device. If you're logged in Telegram on multiple devices, this is what you want to do. Tap on the three horizontal line at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on settings, scroll down and tap on devices. Here you see all your logged in activities. Tap on the device you want to log out of and then tap on terminate section. This will log you and all your activities out of that device. So thank you for watching this video on how to log out of Telegram, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to like, subscribe and have the post notification turned on.